Hello, my name is Dan Fashionbauer, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use GrooveMail to create an email marketing list, create tags, create an opt-in form, and then take that opt-in form and put it on a website or landing page. Alright, so I'm logged into my Groove back office. Across the top here are quick links to the most popular applications currently, and here's GrooveMail. So I'll select GrooveMail. The first thing I want to do is create a list which will contain all of my opt-in information. So I'll click on Lists, then click on New List, and then give your list a name. So I'll call it that, and click on Create List. Alright, here's my list right here. Now I want to create tags for this list. So I'll come up here and click on Tags, click on New Tag. So I'll give it a name, I'll give it a description, and then for category, I don't have any categories yet, so I'll click here, create a new category. It's for the category name. Don't put any spaces in here either. Click on the plus. So now for category, I can use the pull down here and I can select the category that I just created, and it adds it in right here. And you can have multiple categories. Actually, for the tag name, I'm going to take the spaces out of that too. Alright, then for the description, I'm just going to put in Moonbeam Crypto Blog Opt-in again and click on Create Tag. I already created categories, so if I click on categories, I should have one category. And then you can also set up segments if you want. I'm not going to set up a segment today. Now that I have an email list created, I can create a form for prospects to enter in their name and email address. So if I come up here, I can click on Home. And now I'll come over to Forms. And then click on New Form. My form name is going to be called Moonbeam Crypto Newsletter. Click on Save and Continue. At this point, you can edit this form here if you don't like it, and you can add more fields for input if you want to. I'm going to leave it as is, other than the fact that I want the first name to be above my email. So I'll click on these dots here and I'll just move it up here so that the first name is the first line and then email. That's what's mostly seen on opt-in forms. And then here's the send button, and you could also modify that button if you want. I think I'm just going to leave it like that. First name, email, and then that send button. So I'll come down here and click on Next. And then under the form setup, you'll notice that there is a subscriber list, assign tags, sequences, opt-in settings, success URL, and welcome email SMS settings. First thing I need to do is assign my form to a subscriber list. So it says select list you want to assign. So I'll use the pull down here, and I only have one list, and that's the list I just created, Moonbeam Crypto Newsletter. Select that, and then keep scrolling down. And now here it says assign tags. Tagging your leads helps you to sort or locate your leads by the pages or activity they take. And this button says select tags you want to assign, and this one says don't assign any tags. I'm not going to assign any tags. Come down to the next section, sequences. When your leads fill out this form, you can choose to add them to a sequence of emails you've already set up in GrooveMail. The first one, it says yes, subscribe to a sequence. Second one says don't subscribe to a sequence. Again, I'm not going to subscribe them to a sequence today. I will leave this as the default. Continue down to the opt-in settings. Choosing a single opt-in will result in more subscribers. Double opt-in will result in a cleaner list that doesn't include junk email addresses. Additionally, double opt-in subscribers will not receive additional email from you unless they confirm their subscription. Alright, so I want to make it as simple as possible for people to opt in. So I'm not going to make them do the double opt-in. I'm just going to leave it as single opt-in, and I'll continue to scroll down. Now, success URL. Enter the URL to redirect your subscribers to a page after they opt in. Now this would normally be your thank you page, In this instance, I'm just going to put in a link to an affiliate offer that's congruent with the page where my opt-in is residing. And then I'll continue on down. So here it says, choose whether to send a specific welcome email or SMS text message to people who join the list through this form. Note that this message may be delivered at the same time as a sequence email if you are also adding this lead to a sequence. So you can automatically send an email to your subscriber when they opt in. You can automatically send an SMS text message to a subscriber when they opt in. Of course, you would have to put on the opt-in form that you are asking for their cell telephone number in order for this to work. Or do not send any welcome message. For these top two here to work, you would have to go into the GrooveMail sender settings and set that up so that you can use these features. In my case today, I'm just going to leave it as the default, do not send any welcome message. In this particular walkthrough, all I'm interested in is collecting the prospect's name and email address. And then I'll scroll down, click on Next, and then it says, congratulations, your form has been created. So then you're provided with this embed code. So right here, you can toggle back and forth between the embed code or the HTML code. So you need to decide whether you need embed code or HTML code on your landing page, blog, website, wherever you are putting your opt-in form. Once you decide which form of code you want, then just click on this rectangle here and it'll copy that code to your clipboard. And then you can copy it onto your thank you page, your landing page, your website, your blog, wherever you want your opt-in form to reside. All right, so that's how you would create a Groove email marketing list, create a tag, and create an opt-in form. So now that I've embedded my Groove form onto my blog, let's see if it works. So I'll scroll down here and I'll put in my first name, click in here, click in here. All right, so I entered in my first name, my test email address, and I'll click on send. And then I got redirected to my affiliate offer, which is what I wanted. So now let's go over to Groove and see if that information showed up in my list. So I'm over here at the Groove home again, and across the top is the quick links. So I'll click on lists, and here's my list name. Moonbeam Crypto Newsletter active. I have one active subscriber. So then if I come over here under totals and I click on that number there, it brings up my list of leads. And here's my name, here's the email, block status, it says it's safe. I didn't ask for a phone number or company or address, so that information did not show up. All right, so that proves that the Groove opt-in form that I placed on my blog does work. So now if I come up here and click on the envelope in the upper left, you can see all the different applications that are included within Groove. So this is a all-in-one marketing platform that you could use for any online business. So if you're interested in test driving this Groove platform, just click the link in the description below to get started. Talk to you later. Bye for now.